Hi, this is Tom Nunemaker with Aeromir Corporation. This is the daily review for the Goldilocks Autotrader for NinjaTrader for May 21st, 2025. So you're looking at a 1 month rolling window of the performance of Goldilocks on the last 30 days, or last month. It's up $2,378, $1,600 maximum drawdown. 1.45 profit factor, 55.88% wins, average winner 401, average loser 350. So the ratio to average wins, average losses is 1.15. So combine that with a 1% over 50%, you're at positive expectancy. The number of trades per day is about 1.5, and the average time in the market is about 5 hours. So today was a really long one, over 11 hours. But anyway, that's the performance for the last 30 days. Let's take a look at how we did today. So the futures market is still open, cash market's closed. Goldilocks went long here. Put the cursor on this. Right here it went long at about half an hour after the trading window opened up. So it was actually a pretty good entry. It was up about $230, and then it was down about $337. So it gave back about $500 on this move, and then had a V bottom and started recovering. And by the time we got up here, it was just chopping around, minus, plus, minus, plus, and then it started taking off here. So at the end of the day, we had a nice rally, and we close at 321, I think it is. So this bar, so we closed pretty near the high. So we went long at 3308.3 and out at 3325.5. So we made 17.2 points. Now on my performance spreadsheet, we can actually plug those numbers in. So we went long at 3308.3 right here, and we got out at 3325.5. So this calculates the P&L for you. I'm using two contracts. It's $10 a tick for micro gold, and I'm using the Apex Rhythmic commissions of 76 cents each way, so $1.52 round trip. So that gave us 340 today. We were up 830 yesterday. So we actually hit, since May 1st when we started this is a new equity high today. So we're going lower left to upper right, which is fine. About 2/3 of the days are winners. It's not trades, it's days. I did have this risk disclosure and hypothetical performance results. Now these results aren't back testing, these are forward testing. So these are from live trades on the server, on the VPS. Then it could be SIM evaluation, real count, but these are all in real time. So it's not kind of cherry picking it. On the information page, aeromir.com/Goldilocks, just gets updated in real time. And during the day, I wrote some code to update the price of gold every minute. So it should be fairly close during the day when it's updating. So right now it's 9:21 was the last update. These are all Eastern times. That's less than a minute ago. So gold right now is at 320.4, so it's pretty close. This updates during the day with the P&L as I get to it. So anyway, that's the performance. The sales page is looking good. We're still at 125 a month. We'll probably keep that for a few more weeks and then maybe raise the price. We're not sure yet. But 125 a month is still pretty good, or we can do a year. We did have somebody subscribe for a year, so thank you for that. And there are now, we are an official NinjaTrader vendor. So now this is our recommended trading platform, and the market feed can attack if you need a market feed. If you have a profit account, they give you one, so you don't need that. But if you don't have, if you're just trading on your own account, Kinetech is fine. They updated all the risk disclosures and the performances, hypothetical performance disclaimers and all that. And I'll update this historical stuff, but you can see for the last 90 days, it's basically behaving the same as it was for the last year. So our back testing seems to be validating with the current live trades. We're getting some of the performance as to what we thought we would. Again, if you're new to Goldilocks, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is once you get the strategy going, set the start time, end time. These are Eastern. Number of contracts, we use 2, and these are designed for $50,000 prop firm accounts. They can have a maximum of a $2,500 drawdown. Now, we don't set a max session profit or loss, just leave it at really big numbers. And the weight and number of bars to re-enter after closing a trade, I found that 0 or 1 are the best, but you can increase that, but that just delays the entry for the next trade. And historically, it does lower the profits a little bit. So 0 or 1 seem to be the best. And then you enable it, and it's good. Now you see the trades are taken on the chart. These buttons, you can turn the longs off or on. So if you have like this, the system's only going to take a long trade. Here it will only take a short trade. And here it turns all the trades off. So it'll say you got up here and made money and you're up here over $200. Say that's good, I'm done. You can leave the strategy on and just click these buttons off like that. And the strategy will keep running, but it won't take any trades. So it's up to you if you want to turn those on or off. All right, so that's it for the summary. Again, we had a good day, up $340.96. So good trading to you. And again, if you need more information, go to aeromir.com/Goldilocks. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.